In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pin directly to a section on a Pinterest board. If you want to keep your Pinterest boards organized, adding a pin straight into a specific section is a simple and helpful way to do it. Instead of uploading a pin first and moving it later, you can place it exactly where it belongs right from the start. This saves time and keeps your content neatly sorted, especially if you use sections to separate topics, ideas, or categories within a board. To begin, open the Pinterest app or go to the Pinterest website, depending on whether you're using a mobile device or a computer. Once Pinterest is open, head over to your profile. This is where all of your saved content, boards, and account activity are located. From your profile, tap or click on the board that contains the sections you've already created. Make sure you choose the correct board since the pin will be added inside one of that board's sections. If you have several similar boards, it's worth taking a second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Next, open the exact section where you want the new pin to go. This part is important because the section you open determines where the pin will be saved. By starting inside the section itself, you're telling Pinterest to place the new content directly there, rather than somewhere else on the board. Once you're inside the right section, look for the plus icon or the add button. Tap or click it, and then choose the option labeled Pin. This opens the pin creation screen where you'll be able to upload your content and complete the details. Now upload the image or video you want to use for the pin. After that, fill in the pin details, such as the title, description, and any other available fields. Take a moment here to make your pin clear and useful. A descriptive title and a well-written description can help with organization and visibility later on. When everything looks good, tap Create or Publish to finish. Pinterest will then add your new pin directly into the section you selected. And that's it. By opening the section first and creating the pin from there, you can place content exactly where you want it without needing extra cleanup afterward. This is a great habit if you're managing themed boards or trying to keep your Pinterest content easy to browse.